Hey guys! So today we went to the VinFast car display at SM Aura. And finally, I got to test drive the VinFast VF6. And wow! This all-electric crossover really surprised me. Pero bago yan, in-enjoy muna namin ng family ko yung event. May family day passport activity. Kailangan mo lang mag-register. Ang saya kasi may family photo. Memory mat game, may pag-games din dito. At yes, nanalo si Johnny. May souvenirs after ng test drive. At syempre may pakapi pa. Tinignan din namin ng mabuti ang VF6 kung paano siya i-charge. At yung interior, napakaganda. Syempre, chinek ko rin ang VF9. Grabe, premium na premium ang dating. Tinignan ko na rin yung VF7. Alam nyo ba ang VinFast ay galing sa Vietnam? Bakit nga ba maganda bumili nito? First, dahil all-electric, eco-friendly, modern design, user-friendly technology, smooth and quiet drive, may home charger na kasama, and value for money. Bago ka mag-test drive, kailangan mo lang mag-sign ng waiver. Standard procedure lang naman. At ito na, iuwi na natin ang car. Joke lang. From the sleek futuristic design to the smooth acceleration, VinFast definitely knows how to make a statement. Hindi lang ito pang porma. May performance din talaga. Ang handling, super responsive. Parang may instant connection ka sa road. At dahil full electric, sobrang tahimik. Walang vibration, walang engine noise. Interior-wise, it has a clean minimalist dashboard. And the technology, super user-friendly. May voice assistant and all the safety features you expect from a modern e-vehicle. Kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable pero premium feel e-vehicle na perfect for city driving, try nyo na ang VinFast. Sulit ang test drive, promise!